My good friend Mama Cooks Low Carb posted this incredible butter garlic pork chop recipe, and I have not been able to stop thinking about it since, so I had to make it for myself, and I am so glad I did. This is absolutely delicious and makes a ton, perfect for meal prep. I try to follow her recipe to the T, so here's how I did it. I did 2.5 pounds of boneless pork chops that I just chopped up. I seasoned them with Italian seasoning and a little salt, pepper, and garlic. I just got my hands in there and coated them really well. I'm using a cast iron skillet here, but you can use whatever. I did about 2.5 tablespoons of butter, and I let that get really hot, and I added 1 heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh however much you like. Cook that about 30 seconds, and then add your pork chops back into the pan. Get them really brown and cooked through. I did this in a couple of batches. Then I added a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I also